Welcome back to the Boostly podcast, and we are following along in the Boostly Tune-Up series where I am helping hosts all over the world tune up their business. And we are going back on episode 2 now about the in on the why, and I want to show you firsthand how I am helping them run a Facebook social media giveaway that's not primarily on Facebook or Instagram. We're taking it off platform. As I've explained in the previous episode, when I did this, Facebook and Instagram giveaways at the moment are rife with bots that are scraping pages, duplicating pages, and then messaging people on the Facebook or the Instagram page to say that they've won, and then getting credit card details. And the people who are entering these giveaways are none the wiser. It is rife at the moment. So I've been thinking, how can we still grow social media pages? Giveaways are a fantastic way, but how can we take it off platform and take away the risk? And hence what we're doing today. So in the first episode, I introduced you to Kingsumo.com, as you can see in my page right here. And in the first episode, we just created an account and we linked it to our MailChimp page, our MailChimp account. Super simple. So we've linked it to MailChimp because the goal of a giveaway is to grow your email list as well as to get more social media presence. And what we're going to do now is we are going to create it and we are going to get up and running. So I'm into the dashboard and I'm just going to click on create your first one here. So to create an actual giveaway, it is super simple, really straightforward. As you can see, you've got a title that you'll put in here. You've got a description, start date, end date, when's it awarded, and the number of winners. And you do the time zone that you're working on, who's running the giveaway. You've got your website that you can put in there. What are you giving away? Prize name, prize value, and images as well. Okay, so I'm going to go through the other little bits in a second in the next episode, but for the first episode, first part of launching the giveaway, what I wanted to do is just to give you some hints and tips on how to best fill in these boxes up here. Now, what we've decided to do for the in on the why is we're going to do 3 prizes. Now, the prize that we're going to do is going to be geared towards 2 things, really. Number one is that we want to grow the awareness in a local area, but also as well, we want to grow the social media. Now, the reason why we're going to grow the local area is that the in on the why, as we have seen from the website previous, it is more than just a place to stay. It's a place to eat, a place to drink, and a place to explore. So in the beautiful Herefordshire countryside, lots of things to see and do here. By growing the local awareness, I believe that it will help with the accommodation side. The more people that are aware of it on a local level, then when friends or family members or there's a wedding coming to town, etc., then the local word of mouth will grow, which will then mean referrals and recommendations will also grow as well. I've already got a very, very steady customer base from people staying. It's very nicely located for people passing through, etc., but as well, it's built up a good reputation over the years. So it has definitely got that in the context of running this giveaway. So it's already got a nice base. What we're going to do with the giveaway is to get people more reinterested or just more aware of it, and then it's the shareability and the sociability. So let's go back to the giveaway. Now, the most important thing is the title. What Louise and I have worked out, we're going to be giving away 3 prizes. One is going to be a bottle of local gin. One is going to be a pint at the bar of local pint, and the other is going to be their burger. They've got a real nice locally known burger, so you're going to win a table for 2 with their main burger. So again, it's really does appease people on a local level, but the cool thing about the bottle of gin is that they can also post it as well if someone from out of area does win it. So nice prizes to be won. So what we're going to lead with is a compelling title that's going to attract attention. In the description, we're going to keep it short, sharp, sweet, and simple, but just let everybody know what they are entering, how they can enter, and again, we'll make sure that everybody gets pointed to the fact that this is a giveaway, that you'll be contacted via email if you win. not via Facebook message. We will make sure that we let everybody know that they will not be contacted by Facebook direct message, because this is how the scammers are getting in touch with people. If they have won, they will be contacted via email. And as well, we will also have our own T's and C's as well. What we're going to do when it comes to running the giveaway, we're going to run it for 1 week. So we're going to go for 1 whole week here. And again, it's going to be awarded pretty much on the day that we expire. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, in true Blue Peter style, I'm going to complete the title and the description, etc. I'm going to pause the video, and then when I come back, it'll be all filled in for the most part. And then what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to explain what we're going to do in the next episode. Okay, so Blue Peter style, here we go. What I have done, first and foremost, let me just move over the page very quickly, is I have gone and proceeded to make sure that the image that we have here is all good. And what I'm also going to do now is I want to make sure that the screen that I share is this one. Okay, so I've filled in the information, I've got the images on board, and what I've also done is I've gone to create a cool little image on Canva. So let me just show you what I did first. So what I did first and foremost is I did a little play on words with in on the Y and called it Win on the Y. So that's the title that's going to be shown at the top. Description, fill that in. We have free prizes to give away to 3 lucky winners, and I'm going to bold up what actually is available. So bottle of Win Valley Gin, famous Y burger for 2 people, and a pint of Y Valley brew. To enter, simply leave your best email address. Really simple, really easy. I've given a few bullet points of our T's and C's, and then I'm going to put the full T's and C's on our website, and I will show you in the next video tomorrow on how to do that. Got the start date pretty much for now, and we're going to run it for 1 week. Said that there's going to be 3 winners. Change the time zone to Dublin. Who's running the giveaway? Just basically put your business name or your name, website. What are you giving away, and the prize. Okay, so the image I went and created over on Canva, just made it really super simple, got the 3 images together. You can be as creative or as basic as you wish with this, and the cool thing about all of this is you can change it at any time. On tomorrow's episode, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you about explain to you about bonus entries, integrations, and obviously the lovely GDPR as well. Okay, so thank you very much for tuning in. What we're doing with this section of the Boostly Tune-Up is that we are helping hosts give their business a fine tune. And with the In on the Y, what we're going to do is we're going to give their business a boost via social media via a giveaway that is taking it off Facebook, taking it off Instagram. And I'm going to show you how that works. So this is episode number 2 of a couple of episodes that we're going to do on this. Thank you for stopping by. I'll be back tomorrow with another Boostly podcast episode. Until then, stay proactive. Don't be reactive. Let's try and book in a social media giveaway, email giveaway very soon for your business, and I'll show you how.
Having a blast, gonna get it on the Boostly podcast. Boostly like Bruce Lee, cause it's so hard and the T is loose leaf. Making up those rhymes, don't write it, just do it loosely.